how are you today? And welcome to today's Wednesday's fun game with me, Ms Ursula. You ready? Okay, so today we're going to be doing a game that is finding and sorting out where our wild animals that we have here, where they live. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different places, different types of places where they can live. So we're going to go through them together. So first here we have grasslands. Grasslands, I'm going to show you a photo. So a grassland is similar, remove the animals, is like this. Can we see? Like this. Grassland is a place with nearly no trees or very, very few trees, and it's grass vegetation. So there's lots and lots of grass everywhere. Can we see? Just like here. Wow. That's our grassland. And then we have woodland. What's woodland? Shall we see? So we have woodland. A woodland is like this. I'm just going to make it up on my screen. There we go. Woodland is like, make it bigger. A woodland is like this. A woodland is a smaller place with trees, more open, and usually we have them quite all over the place. We have them even where we are right now. We have woodlands. They're more open. They have trees, but they are not overgrown. The trees are just there like this. Can we see our woodland? Wow. After that, so that's grassland and woodland, then we have jungle. What is a jungle? What is a jungle? A jungle is like this. We have a jungle. Jungle is a little bit different. So it's tangled. It's not like the woodlands, it's tangled and it's overgrown vegetation, and it's over a large area. So a jungle is similar to jungles in Peru. So it's like this. There's jungles in Brazil. Oh, wow. You see they're all tangled all over the place. So we can see the difference between the woodland and this. After that we have mountains. Well, we all know what mountains look like. We can have warmer mountains. Mountains can be full of snow as well. We have mountains. And finally we have a rainforest. A rainforest is just like this. A rainforest is like this. Can we see? They have waterfalls. A rainforest is tropical. A rainforest is tropical. So the difference between a jungle and a rainforest is that they have trees, but they're not overgrown, they're not tangled, and it is tropical. So it's quite warm, it rains a lot, but in a warmer heat. So that's our rainforest. Wow. So everyone, we have our 5 different habitats around the world: grassland, woodland, jungle, mountains, rainforest, of where our wild animals can live. So you guys are going to help me sort them out. So first, our first animal is a lion. A lion. And lions live in woodland. So I'm going to put the lion here next to woodland. Lions live in woodland. Let's try our next one. elephants. Where do elephants live? Where do you think? Do you think they live in grass? With them? They live in a jungle. So they're going to put them next to jungle. Wow. We have... Oh, this is a scary one. A tiger. A tiger. Wow. So tigers are usually found in more colder climates, in colder countries. They can be found either in grassland or in rainforests. So I'm going to put them in rainforests, but we can find them in grasslands. So we can put them in rainforest, and then we have a zebra. Where are zebras found? Yes, zebras are found in grasslands. What other animal can we see in grasslands? Wow, let's find out. We have a panda. Where do pandas live? Usually in colder climates in South Central China, and they're found in mountains. In mountains, pandas are found in mountains. Then we have, rhino. Rhinos are a little bit more complicated. Rhinos are found in grassland, but usually in flood areas of the grassland. Just like our zebra. And we have one more. Our giraffe. Where is our giraffe found? In savannas, in woodlands. So they're found in woodlands. Can be found in grass, but more dry woodlands. So there we go. So we have grasslands, we have zebras and rhinos. Woodlands, we have lions and giraffes. Giraffes can also be found in grasslands or in a dry woodland. Jungle, elephants. Mountains, pandas. Rainforest, tiger. And tigers can also be found in grassland. Wow, thank you so much for helping me sort out our animal habitats. Thank you so much for playing, everyone, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.